Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use the k-means clustering and save widgets in Orange. So first off, let's look at our data set we're going to deal with today. It's different types of iris flowers, and the categories are type of iris it is, Setosa, Virsidica, and Virginica, sepal length, sepal width, petal length, and petal width. Okay, so let's cluster the data. So we're going to look for 3 clusters based on these 4 attributes, and those 3 clusters hopefully will be representative of the type of iris it is. And I've already run the clustering, so let's look at the results. And whoa, it is! Each cluster seems to be generally matched with a different iris flower. So say you want to see, okay, how well did it do? Well, there's a few different ways to do that. First off, you can select data. Select iris is defined as iris setosa, and we'll export this into a data subset into the scatter plot. And the filled in ones are iris setosa, and as you can see, it was a perfect match for that type of iris. So why don't we do a few more quantitative measurements. Distributions. First, select attributes. Let's make the class, instead of cluster, we made the class iris. Like that. And we'll see how well the iris matches with the cluster. And as you can see, iris setosa is in blue, iris virginica is in red, etc. And they generally match with their clusters pretty well. Cool. So that's about it for the k-means clustering widget. So now let's move on to the more simple save widgets. So say we have a data table that is our original data table with the cluster added, exported from the k-means widget, and let's save it. So we want to save it as clusteringresult.tab, and I want to do that in this file system right here. So I'm going to press save. Before I do that, I have to take all this data and send selections. I want to make it so I don't have to do that anymore. And as you can see, I can save it. And when we go look for it, it's there. Hooray! Well, that's it for those 2 widgets. Have a wonderful day.
trying to do in full screen?
I don't know. I accidentally pressed full screen.
Did you save?
It did everything. I mean, that's just like part of the presentation.
But do you have?
It's all done.
Is it still recording?
Yeah.
It's still recording.
Yeah, it won't stop. I can't get it to stop recording. I don't know how to possibly do that.
I just don't know what you did.
I didn't do anything. I pressed record, and then I recorded it, and then it did nothing. Oh, there it is. It just like gets rid of everything else.
Yeah, you don't have to record full screen. You should not press that button.
I realize that now. I didn't realize that was the problem.
I can't.
All I did was press record. I didn't even realize it was set on full screen. It's just force code.